Alex's culinary journey. Alex, an avid traveler with an insatiable appetite for adventure and flavors, embarked on a journey to savor the culinary essence of each continent. In Asia, he was mesmerized by the symphony of spices in India's curries and the delicate balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy in Thai cuisine. The sushi in Japan was an art form in itself, each piece crafted with precision and respect for tradition. Europe presented a contrast with its rich sauces and hearty portions. In Italy, Alex indulged in the simplicity of a perfect pizza Margherita, its fresh basil scent wafting through the air. France's pastries were a sweet revelation, each bite of croissant flaking into buttery layers. Africa's bold flavors and hearty stews were next. In Morocco, the tagines cooked slowly, infusing lamb with the flavors of prunes and almonds. Ethiopia's injera bread was a new experience, a sour canvas for spicy stews. The Americas offered diversity from north to south. The barbecue in Texas was smoky and robust, while Mexico's street tacos were a burst of freshness with every cilantro-laden bite. Further south, Brazil's feijoada was a comforting bean stew that spoke of history and community. Finally, in Oceania, Australia's fusion cuisine showcased innovation, while traditional Maori hangi in New Zealand connected Alex to ancient cooking methods using earth ovens. Each dish told a story of the people and their land. Alex realized that food was more than sustenance, it was an expression of culture and identity. His journey wasn't just about tasting, it was about understanding and connecting with the world one dish at a time. Alex's Bug Banquet. In the bustling streets of Bangkok, Alex found himself face to face with a cart brimming with the most unusual snacks he'd ever seen. Skewers of insects, from grasshoppers to scorpions, were being grilled to a crisp. With a mix of curiosity and trepidation, Alex pointed to a skewer of what looked like oversized ants. "One, please," he said, trying to sound confident. The vendor flashed a toothy grin and handed him the skewer. "Best protein in Bangkok," he exclaimed. Alex took a deep breath, closed his eyes, and took a bite. To his surprise, it was delicious. Crunchy, salty, with a hint of smokiness. He opened his eyes wide and declared, "I'll have another." Word spread quickly of the foreigner who devoured bugs with gusto. Locals gathered around, cheering him on as he sampled everything from silkworms to water beetles. By the end of the night, Alex had earned the nickname Bug Buffet, and a newfound appreciation for the saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover," or in this case, a bug by its antennae.